Hello friends, myself Dr. Jyotika Sharma, consultant OBS and Gynae at Mukut Hospital, Chandigarh. So friends, today we will discuss about abnormal uterine bleeding. So first of all, what is abnormal uterine bleeding? Abnormal uterine bleeding is menstrual irregularities in form of frequency, regularity, duration or volume of flow. So what is the normal frequency of menstrual cycles? Normal frequency is between 21 to 35 days. If you are getting your periods between 25 to 35 days, it is more or less normal. And also, there should not be any intermenstrual bleeding. And the flow should be between 2 to 5 days. If your flow is less than 2 days or more than 7 days, is considered abnormal. So, what are the different causes of abnormal uterine bleeding? Abnormal uterine bleeding can present at any age from adolescent to after menopause also. So in young girls, the causes are mainly hormonal imbalance, thyroid abnormality, PCOS or anovulatory cycles. In reproductive age group females, the most common causes are either pregnancy related or taking birth control pills, or there could be any functional cause like fibroids, adenomyosis, endometriosis or uterine malignancy. In postmenopausal women, the most common causes are endometritis, or there is hormone deficiency, or it could be malignancy or hyperplasia. So whenever you are experiencing abnormal uterine bleeding, consult your doctor. What are the different tests we do to diagnose the cause of abnormal uterine bleeding? We do certain blood tests to see if there is any hormonal imbalance or if there is any coagulopathy, and then we go with pelvic ultrasound to find out the cause of abnormal uterine bleeding. Then comes the treatment. For treatment, it depends on your symptoms, your age, and what problem you are having on the basis of your blood test and your ultrasound. So treatment also depends on the whether you desire fertility or you have completed your family. Young females, the treatment is, we try with medicines, we try to correct your hormonal imbalance, and also we can give out hormonal treatment to correct your menstrual cycles. But if there is any cause like fibroid, endometrial malignancy, adenomyosis, endometriosis, for that surgical treatment is required. And different surgeries what we do are endometrial ablation, myomectomy, hysterectomy, depending on the age and symptoms. So whenever you have any abnormal uterine bleeding, consult your doctor and get the correct treatment. Thank you.